Gyr Falcon. Gyr Falcons are the largest falcons and are known for their formidable hunting abilities. They have a circumpolar distribution, found in the Arctic and subarctic regions. Gyr falcons have a striking plumage that can range from white to dark grey. They are apex predators, hunting a variety of birds, including waterfowl and ptarmigan. Gyr falcons are highly territorial and often nest on cliffs or in the tundra. These birds are skilled flyers and can reach impressive speeds during their hunting stoops. Gyr falcons have a keen sense of sight and are known for their sharp vision. They have been used in falconry for centuries due to their hunting prowess. Gyr falcons build nests on high ledges and maintain them for several years. They are often associated with the Arctic and are well adapted to cold environments. Conservation efforts are in place to protect Gyr falcon populations, as they are vulnerable to habitat disturbance. Gyr falcons are known for their fierce temperament and have been called gentlemen's hawks due to their stoic nature. Their hunting flights are often characterized by their powerful and direct approach to prey. Gyr falcons have specialized feet and talons for capturing and holding their quarry. They are considered a symbol of strength and nobility in various cultures,